Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix white screen on your Windows laptop or computer in your Windows 10 or 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing issue with your white screen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your computer and laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you need to try to restart your computer or laptop. Try and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to try the second method. Just you need to right click on your start menu, click on device manager. You can see device manager, click on device manager. After opening the device manager, you will find here display adapter. You need to double click and expand that one. After that you will find your display drivers. You just need to right click on that and click on update driver. Before clicking update driver, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After that, after connecting to the internet, just click on search automatically for the drivers. After completion of these drivers, just close this window and close this window. After that, just try the third option. Just right click on start menu, then click on run, then type here CMD, or you can just click on start menu, then type here CMD. Just right click on CMD and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. After that, hit enter and click on next. You need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, you just need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix white screen on Windows laptop or computer. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.